biggest buttons here.
Is it to tap out of something?
Oh, like if you press this, I'll give you like money to quit?
Yeah.
No, it's to stop a giant saw blade. Send it up! Across from you, all the food you would need for the next 30 days that is infinitely better than the MREs you guys have. And the only thing stopping you two from getting it is that saw blade cutting that rope. You see, in random intervals over the next 24 hours, that saw blade will start to fall. And you must press this red button before it cuts the rope to reset it at the top. But if you fail to press the button, the platform will instantly fall and all your food will join your tents down there.
Oh, man.
If you lose, you also lose a part of your floor.
I'm more concerned about the floor.
Surely with this game, he's not gonna screw it up.
I can't miss it, right? It's just there.
But do you trust him? Because he's shown he can't fail you. Start the game! The 24-hour timer has started.
Bye!
Bye.
Love you. He'll set it back one day.
We gotta push through for the floor.